Okay, so yes, we said this Boolean logic, easiest topic ever, right? Easiest topic ever. And here we are now in the past paper. We want to see how we actually get to solve the questions. How we are going to solve an examination style question. This is our paper 2, right? And we want to see how we actually solve it. Now, let's put the name. What name should we put? Mr. Clarifies Online Tuition. Okay? Center or online tutorials. No problem. Let's go and do the question together. We are going to go to number 6, I guess. There it is. Number 6. Here is the question on Boolean logic. And now let us answer. So when you're doing the question itself, they can give you this, and this is called a logic expression. This is called a logic expression. And they will ask you to make a logic circuit. Or they can give you a logic circuit and ask for the logic expression. So these are the two ways. This is the easier one of the two. They give you a logic expression and then they ask for a logic circuit. They want you to draw. Now we know all the gates, don't we? We do. Okay, so we don't have to know the truth tables. For this one, you just have to know the gates and draw them. Then we are going to then use the knowledge that we have for truth tables to answer the second part. And this is a nice, easy 8 marks for you. So let's go for it. How am I going to draw? Now, when you're drawing, remember this that I'm telling you. You always start with the inside brackets. You always start with the things that are inside the most brackets. So here we start with the things that are inside brackets. And then finally, we would join them with the gate that is outside the bracket. So what are we starting with? We start with the things that are inside. Here we have A and B. Okay, we are going to say A and B. So we go and take A, right? We take A and we take B. And we are going to join them using what gate? An AND gate. So we take A, we take B, we join them using an AND gate. So this is what we are going to do. We join them using an AND gate. This is the first one, right? Great job. Then what do? We take B and then we take C. But look at it. There's going to be B, then AND, not C. So B is going to be joined by an AND gate. To what? To not C. So let's make not C first. We go to C. We put it through a NOT gate. Okay, we put it through a NOT gate, which is a triangle with a circle in front. This is not C. And it is going to be joined to who? To B. So we can go and take B. And we can take it like this. You connect. You have to put this dot. If you don't put this dot, it just means the wire is passing over like this. Okay? You cannot go and connect without putting this dot. You have to put the dot. So for here, you need to put the dot and show that I'm taking at B. Then we are going to go and join it into this. And what gate are we using? An AND gate. We are using an AND gate. And we are done. We have started with the things that are inside brackets. Now that we are done with it, we are now going to join the two things with what gate? An OR gate. An OR gate. Now let's put an OR gate joining the two things. So we take this, we take that, and we are going to put them through an OR gate, and they're going to go straight to X. So we do it like this and like this. Remember your OR gate now, it's curved at the back. Make sure that your lines are getting right to here. Then you do it like that. Here's your OR gate, and then it's going to go all the way to your output X. And you'd be done. And this is the logic circuit. What is the logic circuit? You just drawing using the logic expression. So we'll be done with this question. Now, we're going to go to part B, where we are now drawing the truth table, and we're going to do it in the next video. Goodbye for now.